What's up, guys? The frequency back again in the building, man. You already know. So, man, I've been getting some stuff from BH. Oh, pretty much this month I spent a lot of money on like my stuff. So right now I just got this bus and I'm gonna unbox it and then show you guys what I got inside. Pretty much. Okay, right now I'm filming with my phone. I got my phone hooked up somewhere. You don't want to find out. I mean, you don't want to know. So let's go. Let's unbox this shit. Sorry, but this is kind of, I don't know. I'm giving this away. If you want it, embarrass me. Funny, right? For real, I've been getting a lot of stuff. Like today too, I just got this. Check it out. Right there. You see all those stuff? Yeah. Like, let me move my hand. Yeah. I've been setting up some stuff, I'm trying to have my studio, you know what I'm saying? So, let's get it. And right here. Alright, so let's start. Let's get started. Like, okay. Ooh, is this gonna hurt? I don't know. Let me use the knife. Okay, there it is. Boom. Ooh, this is kind of, I don't know, but let's do it. I don't even know what I ordered though. Like, I've been getting a lot of stuff, but I kind of waiting on this one because we gotta move on, man. Trying not to make your dream come true. You got to, man. You got to. Right here, I don't know, man. I want to show you how. This is too high. Can you see me? No, you can't. Woo. So this is right here. I kind of ordered 2 batteries for my camera. See, Canon T6. Ordered 2 batteries last week. I made a video that I bought some stuff. I mean, check it out. You just go ahead and then check it out. And this is the battery right here. And I also ordered length. Check it out. Boom, right there. I don't know. Can you see? Ooh. Yes, you can. So right here, I'm gonna go and then unbox this and see how amazing this stuff is. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. I mean, you already know battery is battery, so I was not excited. I mean, excited for the battery, but I was really waiting on the length. There it is. Woo. It's heavy though. Oh. It's pretty much like all I already got, but this is all I got. I have a Canon 55mm and like this length is Canon 18mm to 55, and this is Rokinon. So, and then I don't know, I just saw it, and then 2.8 to 14mm. That's not bad, but I kind of see a lot of great review about it, and then I'm gonna give it a try, A lot of people say good stuff about it, so that's why I ordered this. So let's see. Let's see. Let me put the phone back up there. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could see me pretty well though. You know, next time I'm gonna find something that I can use to hook up my phone to. Come on, man. Alright, there it is. So right there, I have the Rokinon 2.8 to 14 millimeter. It's kind of small, but we're gonna go and then try it. See right there. I have a Canon T6i. You see, come with this length, and then I'm trying to get to buy a length to my camera. You know what I'm saying? So let's get started. Take this off. This is much smaller than that one, and then put this back on. Put it on. Push. So right there, and what about the zoom in? Oh, this doesn't zoom in though. It's just a 2.8 to 14 millimeter, so it's like a close-up shot, and then so let's go. Let me turn my cameras on. Put the sticker in there. Wow. This is, look how the stuff is. I don't know, it's kind of dark. I don't know, maybe I have to adjust some stuff like. Oh yeah. Yeah, just nice. Okay, see that? See right there? Yeah, kind of look good. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, I didn't do nothing, man. Is that working right there? Ooh. I don't know what's going on. Camera just stopped. See right there, it just stopped. But we'll find out what's going on here. SD card because it's kind of full, so I have to have to erase some image. But yeah, so let me take a picture. Oh, it's not bad. It's kind of clean. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh man. But the picture is kind of clean. I might put it up there. Let me take this picture and see what does it look like. Whoa, the light's too bright. I don't know why batteries too. So pretty much it's good. I like it though. The way it's kind of small. It's gonna take like close up. You see right there. That's a good shit. I like it. It's good stuff. Whoa. Okay. It's good. It's kind of gray, you know. I can't complain. I can't complain. The result is not bad, so this is cool. I'm gonna use it for a while, you know. Use it, work with it, and see how you're gonna make money out of this. You know what I'm saying? So, first of all, I didn't tell y'all who I am. So here I am. My name is Francial. Make sure you follow me on every social media, and I mean you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is kind of professional, so and also I mean wherever YouTube I go by the frequency. That's my channel. So I'm gonna upload this to my channel, and then make sure you like, subscribe, follow me. You know. You can also tell me to follow you. I'm gonna follow you. You know, let's see. Let's do this. This is the business. Welcome to the real world. Oh man, I'm so happy right now. And what else? Yeah, this is the battery right here. Got my battery for my camera. I mean like extra battery, you know. I don't want to be out of battery when I go to some doing some shooting, you know. So this is a next. I'm gonna buy new stuff. I don't know what it is right now, but I'm looking for a stabilizer. So I'm gonna buy a stabilizer. If I didn't purchase a stabilizer, I'm gonna purchase another length. But I mean, you know, right? The expensive one. But I don't have money. I'm like, I do my stuff like with a low budget. So, but I'm looking forward to grow, get bigger entreprise. We call it entreprise in French. So, bigger empire in English. Bigger wherever, you know. So, right now I'm gonna let you guys. I don't know. I didn't make a video for the light that I got from Lemon Studio. It's not free, so right there. I don't know if I can put it on my camera right there. So right there, I show you guys already, but I'm gonna show you guys again. You know, just check you can go, and then it's not that expensive, you know, like for